Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto News. Have you noticed how fast the world is changing? Just 20 years ago, we couldn't imagine paying with our phones or watches. Now, cash is becoming obsolete. But what if I told you that in 10 to 15 years, we might not even need banks anymore? What if cryptocurrency isn't just a trend, but the beginning of a whole new financial system that's already replacing banks, credit cards, and even national currencies? Why crypto will replace banks, and it's already happening. Traditional banks are built on a model from the 19th century. They hold your money, control transactions, charge fees, and act as gatekeepers to your own finances. But let's face it, inflation is rising. Your money loses value every year. Central banks around the world are printing trillions out of thin air. Banks can freeze your account at any moment, block transfers, or even collapse overnight. And we've seen this happen in 2023. We're living in a system where we're fully dependent on centralized institutions, and that system is starting to crack. Cryptocurrency is money without middlemen. It runs on a technology called blockchain, a decentralized, distributed ledger where no one can alter the data. Imagine sending money to someone in another country without a bank, without high fees, and without waiting days. Transactions are verified by a global network, not a single institution. Bitcoin, for example, has a fixed supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. It can't be inflated like the dollar. That makes it digital gold, a store of value that resists government manipulation. Crypto isn't just an alternative currency. It's a new financial philosophy built on decentralization, transparency, and individual control. Some still believe that crypto is just a bubble. But if that were true, why are the world's biggest companies investing billions into it? Tesla bought Bitcoin for its balance sheet. Visa and MasterCard are testing crypto payments. Major banks in the US and Europe now have crypto departments, and entire countries like El Salvador have adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. This is not hype. This is a gradual but unstoppable shift. Just like the internet replaced newspapers and streaming killed cable TV, crypto is replacing banks. Not because it's trendy, but because it's better, faster, and more transparent. For everyday people, crypto offers true financial freedom. Imagine living in a country with a collapsing currency. Crypto lets you protect your savings. Are you a freelancer? Get paid instantly from anywhere in the world, without fees and delays. Need a loan? Forget the paperwork, banks, and rejections. Decentralized finance, DeFi, lets you borrow and lend directly through smart contracts. For millions across the globe, crypto is already the only way to preserve and grow their wealth without relying on governments or banks. Banks won't disappear overnight. More likely, they'll evolve into digital platforms that operate on top of blockchain infrastructure. Many central banks are already developing CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. But don't be fooled, these are still centralized and controlled. What's different now is that people have tasted freedom. They've seen what it's like to move and manage money without asking permission. And with every year, the shift toward decentralized finance grows stronger. Traditional banks will either adapt to this new reality or become obsolete. Picture this. Your salary is paid in USDT or ETH. You buy a house via a smart contract. No brokers, no paperwork. You tip your favorite creator directly in crypto, instantly. You manage your entire financial life from a single digital wallet. In this future, you control your money. Not the bank, not the government. You. And that future is closer than you think. The world is changing. Fast. The question isn't if crypto will be a part of your life. It's whether you'll be ready when it becomes the default. So learn, explore, and take control. The financial revolution won't come through a press release. It's already in your pocket. Subscribe if you're ready to ditch the banks and embrace the future. And drop a comment. Are you ready for a bankless world?